everybody, it's Peg, and I am here with a group of artists. This is another hop video, and it is sped up about 8 times fast because, when we're hopping, you want to get from one video to the next one. So, check out the description box and go see who else is creating today. If you guys want to see what I'm doing in a full-length version, please leave a comment for me. This is sped up about 8 times fast, and it's pretty simple. It's stamping and coloring and collaging and that sort of thing. But, if you're new to this and you want to have better explanation and that sort of thing, leave me a comment because I can take the raw footage and I can make a full-length video. It's just that it takes a lot of my time to do something like that, and if you're not really interested, I'm not going to spend my time doing that because you've already seen the video, right? You've already watched this one. And I hope you've watched a bunch of other people too and what they're doing. So the theme for this week was lovebirds. So I've got these stamps from Dina Wakley, and I thought, why not? Let's just do some birds and create a little collage picture. So I'm going back to some music here, and I'll be back later. So I'm about ready to wrap it up here, but I just wanted to thank you for having been here with me today. And if you enjoy my channel, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and click the bell for notification, all that good stuff. Be sure and check out the rest of the artists on third Saturday Hop. I think that's what it is. It's in the title. Anyway, also in the description box below, you can find the list and just click on the next person in the list and you can rotate right through them all. And have a great Saturday. I'll see you again soon. Love to you all.